Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about local scope and functions. In the earlier video we talked about global scope and function. Here we are talking about local scope. Variables which are declared within a function as well as the function parameters have local scope. That means they are only visible within that function. That is, it will be only be working in that uh, in that function itself. If we use that variable in other functions, it won't be working, so it will throw out an error. Here is a function myTest with a local variable called lock. So function myTest, and here const lock is equal to foo console.log. So here we'll be getting a value of foo because this is a local variable. And if we run this test outside the if we run this test outside the function, then we won't be getting the same value. It will be throwing out an error because this is a local variable, so we can't access that from outside. The myTest function will display the string foo in the console. The console.log will throw an error. This part will throw an error as lock is not defined outside of the function because this is a local variable. The editor has two console.logs to help you see what is happening. Check the console as you code to see how it changes. Declare a local variable myWhere inside my local scope and run the test. So we need to declare a local variable myWhere inside the my local scope. Okay, so here we'll declare a local variable. So let us consider it as where itself, myWhere. This is our variable name. And let us give it as a value of 10. So console.log inside my local scope, comma myWhere. So what it is that it's just a string. Then here we have myWhere, which has a value of 10. If you don't give it any value, then we have inside my local scope undefined. So let us give it a value of 10 itself. Now we need to run and check the console. It has automatically run. We are getting inside my local scope 10 and reference error myWhere is not defined. Why is it giving like that? Because we have another console.log here which states outside my local scope, because this is our function here. Inside here we have stated the inside here we have stated the local variable myWhere, so it can't be accessed outside. So myWhere is not defined outside of my local scope, so we'll be getting this error. So I think that is all. So it works. I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching. See you in the next challenge. Thank you.